In the previous tutorial, we created two specific configurations for region A and B. As you can see in this screen, we now have three URLs, the main URL of the domain, which is pointing to our basic network, and two URLs for our regions. Both regions now have their own home page for guests, and a separate home page for logged-in users. But the content and layout of these pages is inherited from the default configuration. In this tutorial we are going to create a new home page for region A, with its own logo and edited content. Log in as a network administrator. Go to Content on the main menu and select Logos in the side menu. The overview again illustrates how separate configurations inherit their content from the default configuration. Select Region A. Please notice that there are several logos. The first one is the logo you'll see on every screen of the classic front end. Let's change this by uploading a new logo. Press the upload icon at the right, and then press the Upload New button. Select the new logo and press the Upload button. The second logo in the list is the favicon used in the tabs of your browser. So let's upload a slightly adapted logo. The next two logos are for reports and for the mobile app. We suggest to use the same logo as the first one. The rest of the logos we leave as they are. We will not use them in this tutorial. Now that we have our logos ready to use, we need to change the home page of region A. In the side menu, go to Static Content. Again, the page shows that the static content of region A is inherited from the default configuration. Again, select region A. Now you get a list of content items specific for region A. In this tutorial we will focus on the first four items. So select the header details for the classic front end. As you can see, the logo from the default configuration has already been replaced. The rest of the header is still the same as in the default configuration. But you won't notice any difference because the default header consists of the logo only. If you like, you can add content by ticking the Customize box. You now have the option to expand the header with text or switch to HTML by pressing the utmost right button. But remember, this is only the header. Try to avoid large headers as they reduce the visible space for the rest of the page. Don't forget to press save if you changed something. When we log out and go to the login page of region A, we have the new header with the logo. Let's log in again as the administrator. Notice that the old logo is showing. That's because the network administrator group still has the default configuration. Let's continue with the static content. We can change the footer of the page in a similar way. As you can see, it inherited a footer with 4 columns. The same footer as on the current page. You can change the footer if you like, but for now we'll leave it as it is. Now, we get to the home pages. There are two versions, one for logged-in users and one for guests. Let's change the page for guests as this is the first page everyone will see. The Customize box has already been ticked, so we can start changing the content. Let's change the title in Welcome to the Serco Payment System of Region A. And let's paste some text to welcome visitors to this page and encourage them to log in or register as a member. In this page, we will use an image of someone paying with Sercos. So click on the image button in the edit menu. As there are no images available, we have to upload one. We can change the size of the image, set margins, and choose where to place it. Don't forget to save. Now log off and check the home page of Region A. That's quite a difference, isn't it? There is only one page left to change. The home page for logged-in users. With the knowledge of this tutorial, it will be a piece of cake. Give it a go.